Hey everyone, this is Michael from Barton Musical Circuits. This is the new BMC98 toggle routing module. So we have 5 inputs, 5 outputs, and then 25 toggles that set which input goes to which output and whether it's going to be inverted or not. So each of these inputs has an inverter and just a regular buffer. And these toggles are on, off, on. So when you're pushing it down, that's your non-inverted signal, and up, it's inverted, and in the middle, no signal is passed. And then each output has a mixer on it. So you can send lots of inputs to a single output and then mix them together. And then also you can send one input to a lot of outputs. So this could be used as a buffer or a mixer. You could also use it as like a differential amplifier. And so I'm going to start patching to show you what this thing could do. So A and B, that's going to be our VCO inputs. These are both being sequenced by a sequencer that's off screen. And then our first outputs are going to be the outputs to these two VCAs here, which are going straight to my recorder output. And then the next two outputs will be the CV controls for those VCAs. And then our next input is just going to be an LFO here. So let's send that LFO to both of our CVs, so that's C3 and C4. And then let's send our audio from the VCOs to the audio into the VCAs. And let's say only one is going to each. So now you have a different signal. And then that's inverting phase. And then let's set so that it's a panner instead. So let's invert the signal going to C3. And then I've also got a VCF set up here. So, oh, sorry, that should be going to the output. So let's send both of these to the VCF, and then let's send the VCF to both of our outputs, and then let's start it really low. Let's just send one signal to the VCF. And then let's try adding a CV control in addition to the LFO for one of the So, yeah, this is getting a sound that I probably wouldn't have patched together if I had been just patching things normally. But hopefully that shows you some of the flexibility of this thing and how it can get you to a place where you maybe wouldn't have shown up otherwise. Thank you for watching.